Hello, fellow marketers. My name is Brian Bowie, and welcome to the first episode of Directive R&D. In this new series, we're going to be going over what's working and what's not working within our own marketing and sharing experiences of working on over 100 different SaaS companies and sharing those insights with you. Today in the lab, I'm going to be talking about personalization. So as you can see on my screen here, yes, that's me. Our main call to action on the website is Meet Directive. And it leads to a landing page here of where it says, Directive, we can't wait to meet you. I'm going to talk why it says Directive right here. But we're figuring out, like all of us marketers, how do we increase conversions on this page, constantly testing different things. And personalization came up. So we looked for a tool that we could pair with our website to figure out how to do personalization, how to customize certain areas of our site to increase conversion rate. So we found a tool called Mutiny, mutinyhq.com. Feel free to check them out. They have a lot of cool examples about how they integrate personalization elements into their website and their marketing. So just check them out. We're really just scratching the surface of what we can do with this tool, but wanted to share a cool example with you today. I have here open live in the platform an experiment that is actively running, but you can see here it says Airbnb, we can't wait to meet you. When you're in the tool, it's very similar to Google Optimize. It's really easy to use. You just select an element, and then they have these different variables right here where you can choose if you want to personalize their company name, their domain, even their logo, the founded year, industry, whatever it is. In our market, we're going after technology companies. So we're only serving this experiment to technology companies. When we ran a test, we increased our conversion rate from 7% to 21% across 45 days and hit a statistical significance of 96%. So it was a clear winner for us, and we're running it full time. So here's a quick look at the page. If you came from a tech company and you were registered in Clearbits, which is what Mutiny uses, database, then your name would be customized here. And if you weren't recognized, it would say, we can't wait to meet you. So just a slight tweak, but we saw a really big increase in conversion rate, and we can't wait to test more. If you'd like to learn more about Mutiny and how to use it, feel free to make a comment, and I'll get back to you and make the connections. But yeah, this is the first episode of this series. Can't wait to share with you more experiments that we're running. Yeah, thank you very much.